Hello my friend, I hope you're feeling great today. As I promised, this is my second video for you. I want to show you what happened behind the scenes so you can understand how all it works in reality. If this is what you're looking for, please subscribe. If your target is to make money more than one time, you need to learn skills what other people don't have. It can be something like website building using WordPress or Shopify storage setup. Watching 3 hours per day YouTube videos, you can easily learn how to build WordPress websites. No panic, only to the university you need to go for years, but in reality everything works much faster. Now I will show you where you can sell your WordPress building service. Follow me. I use Fiverr.com. This is biggest freelancers platform with millions of visitors or your potential buyers every month. I found this person. Standard order, as you can see, is £62 so if she will create websites, she gets this money. So if you will create 10 websites, you will get £600. So this is not so bad, as we know that this takes only a couple of hours for each project. This guy doing automated Shopify, AliExpress, dropshipping. He creating website. This is easy to do. This is easy to do. You just need to know how to install Shopify, how to install different categories, how to create different categories, to add products, make a payment. But this is easy. You can set up it in 1 hour, and also automated. What does it mean? That it will be added overlaw add, so app application. So also this is easy. 288 reviews left, but not all people leaving. But let's say that this is minimum, some minimum what we can see here. So 288 and for price of each. As you can see how much you can get here, and only for this service. So you can also offer overlaw only installation. So also you can call like automated Shopify and do the same, and you can get a lot of money. You can get here. Okay guys, so I want to say to you that on Fiverr you can sell any of your skills: design, logo, music, photo editing, writing a blog, translate text, make videos, and much more. When you will start to sell on Fiverr services, you will have a lot of other competitors, so you need to offer better price, better quality, and better order processing time, so you can get orders and to start with enough good money. When you will get more orders, then you can start to increase your service prices. If you learn how to create websites on WordPress, you can offer different services like WordPress installation and different plans, as you can see in this example. Here is everything shown what it includes, so you can train these tips on YouTube. If you like, please like. If you don't like, please dislike and leave comment why. If you have any questions, please contact me. I'm happy to help you. See you next time.